Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Did you know that ChatGPT can now design anything in Canva instantly? In this video, I will show you how to use the Canva plugin inside ChatGPT step by step to create amazing graphics, thumbnails, posters, social posts, and more, all with AI. First of all, make sure you are using ChatGPT Plus. Click on your name or profile settings. Go to ChatGPT, then log into your account. Go to settings. Now beta, features and enable plugins. Now go to ChatGPT and click on plugins. Then click plugin store and search for Canva. From Canva, go to settings tab. Then find the beta features option if you are pro user and search for Canva in ChatGPT plugins section and click install. After installing, return to ChatGPT 4 and choose the Canva plugin. You are now ready to start designing by typing prompts like create a YouTube thumbnail about AI tools or design a modern Instagram post for a fitness brand. Now, let's try a real example. Type design a minimalist YouTube banner for a travel channel. Design a minimalist YouTube banner for a travel channel. ChatGPT will show you multiple ready-made Canva design options. Each result comes with a preview plus edit link. From your Canva website, search for it. Then go to settings tab or each result comes with a preview and edit links. Click on any design to open it in Canva. Clicking the link opens Canva in your browser. Now you can customize fonts, colors, text, images just like normal. It's perfect mix of AI automation and human creativity. But keep in mind you need to a pro plan in ChatGPT and Canva. So need multiple versions, type create a consistent set for Instagram post, story, and Pinterest pin for my fashion brand. ChatGPT Plus Canva will generate cohesive templates in all the requested size. You can also ask ChatGPT to generate printable templates, lead magnets, or ebooks. For example, type create a Canva editable daily banner, daily planner template Create a Canva editable daily planner template I can sell on Etsy. It will generate a slick, editable template that you can fully customize and download. But you need to pro plan in ChatGPT and Canva. This works great for video creator too. As create a bright, clickable YouTube thumbnail for a video about how to grow on Instagram in 2025. Then hit enter. It will instantly generate optimized designs you can tweak and use. Once your design is ready in Canva, just click share, then click download. You can also schedule social post directly from Canva using their built-in content planner. Just click share and download to export in PNG, JPG or PDF. Bonus tips. Ask ChatGPT to suggest color palettes, font combos, or even content ideas for the then. You are not just designing, you are creating full brand assets with AI support. And that's how you can use ChatGPT and Canva together in 2025 to design anything faster than ever. So always keep in mind you need to a Canva Pro and ChatGPT Pro plan. Like, comment if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more AI powered tutorials. Thanks for watching.